So, hi friend, welcome back to our channel. So, I came with lots of important opportunity for the freshers from the Geo, Siemens, Amazon, and other important company. So, first important opportunity that is from the Siemens. They are hiring for the role of graduate training engineer, and this will be the job locations, and this is a full-time role. And job location is a Bangalore. So, talking about the responsibility, you will be responsible for AI, NAP, and use JavaScript and Python for scripting, and these all are stuff. So, freshers are eager for this wonderful opportunity, and make sure to apply with updated resume. Moving to next opportunity from the Geo, and we have already provided you update for this, and students are getting reward for this particular company, that is for the role of apprentice engineer. So these were roles and responsibility, and freshers are eligible for this, and knowledge of domain is mandatory. Okay, so these are the some responsibility. You will deal with complaint and escalations to handle and analyze trouble tickets and all those stuff. Next opportunity from the Amazon, they are hiring for the role of digital content associate audible. The basic qualification, you should have bachelor degree and you should have knowledge of Microsoft Office products. Freshers and up to 1 year of experience are eligible for this wonderful opportunity. Moving to next important opportunity, they are hiring for the role of Salesforce admin and Salesforce QA. Company name is Cloud Energy. So if you are interested, you can apply, but you should have some knowledge in Salesforce. Okay, so they are looking for the candidates having 6 months to 1 year of Salesforce admin experience, and this will be your basically requirements. Just go through complete job organization. I will provide the friends. Recently TCS have announced their result, and many students got the interview results. So first of all, congratulations to all of them, and those who want to schedule mock interview with us, then you can fill the form. We'll provide you complete guidance, and which will basically increase your confidence in the real interview. So if you want, you can schedule your interview and mock interview form link in the description. So moving to next important community, so they are hiring a trainee network engineer, and any graduate can apply, but you should have basic knowledge of networking, IP, DNS, OSI middle, and the company name is moreyah.com. So this is wonderful opportunity. Don't miss this. Next important from the Ella, they are hiring for the role of software engineer, and minimum qualification is should have BSc in software engineering or equivalent. Means BSc, BTech, all can apply, and this is wonderful opportunity. Don't miss this. Moving to next importantly from the QR, yes, they are hiring for the role of Salesforce developer intern. So if you are interested in internship in Salesforce, then you can apply for this. Okay, and you will basically requiring the PD1 certificate. This is mandatory for applying for this job. Next one from the tapsoft Tech Private Limited. So they are looking for the business analyst, fresher intern, or manual tester, fresher intern. So if you are interested, you can share resume to this mail ID. Friends, we regularly post lots of important job updates, so make sure to subscribe us, and don't who haven't applied for the hiring such as the ICICI Bank or other Tech Mahindra, they must apply as soon as possible because link will be expiring soon. Next important from the Mitsubishi Electrical India Private Limited, and they are hiring for the multiple positions. So freshers up to 10 years experience are legal, and these are the some open positions. So it should be either from BTech diploma in electrical engineering, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Next opportunity from the BDIS at vyrazu Private Limited. They are looking for the role of business development representative. Intern experience when freshers are legal for this. So if you are interested in non-tech profile, then only you should share your resume to this mail ID or contact this lady. Next opportunity from the intelhood technology. They are looking for the duration of 3 month internship, and if you want, you can apply. Your friends, many of the students were sending that please share the internship details. So now I'm also providing you internship, so make sure to apply, okay, because internship will also play a critical role in your selection. And next important that is last, that is from the Gokwik. They are hiring for the role of AI solution engineer. You know, this is the era of AI, so this is a full-time internship role, and research and up to 1 year experience are equal for this wonderful opportunity. Hope video informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask a comment here. I feel very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.